Kesar Pista Kulfi. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. Heat 1 liter full-fat milk in a non-stick vessel on medium flame. Add 3 cardamoms. You can also use cardamom powder. Keep stirring constantly to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom. Stir until the milk has reduced. After the milk has reduced, add 100 grams sugar or as required. And stir until the sugar melts. Then add 10 powdered pistachios and mix well. Remove the cardamom pods. Now add 1 pinch saffron. This has been soaked in 2 tablespoons warm milk. Stir continuously until the milk thickens. Now turn off the flame. Pour the mixture in a bowl and set aside. The mixture will thicken as it cools. After the mixture has cooled down, pour it into the molds. I have used a steel glass. Use any type of mold which is available. Cover the glass with an aluminium foil. Use a rubber band to secure it. Cover the other molds with the lid. You need to freeze them for 7 to 8 hours or overnight or until they turn firm. After 7 to 8 hours, check if the kulfi is ready. To remove the kulfi from the glass, rub the glass between your hands. You can also place the glass in warm water for a few seconds. Place the ice cream stick in the center, twist it and carefully take it out. Garnish with chopped pistachios and serve immediately. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.